Magsisimula na ngayong weekend ang Season 2 ng Manila Hustle. Tampok dito ang ilan sa mga pinakabigating women's team sa larangan ng 3x3 basketball sa Asia. Ang kabuang detalye sa ulat ni Rafael Bandayrel.
Kasunod ng kanilang maiden season noong nakaraang taon, magbabalik ngayong darating na Pebrero ang pinakamalaking women's 3x3 tournament sa bansa. Ito ang Manila Hustle 3x3 Basketball, kung saan kalahok ang pinakamahuhusay na kababaihang basketballista sa Asia. 16 na mga kupunan ang maglalaban-laban, kabilang ang 7 local teams at 9 na international squads. Sabi ng tournament director na si Pichi Cheng Medina, tiyak na mas maraming fans ang makakapanood ngayong ikalawang season.
So last year was really very exciting. We had 12 teams. This year, but there were a lot of points for improvement. So this year we said we're going to improve. Our tagline is bigger and better. So first things first, we moved to a bigger venue, which is double the size of what we had last year. So it opens up a lot of possibilities, like we now have a fan zone, and then we have a practice court, which is very important in improving the quality of the game.
Ngayong taon, inaasahang tataas palalo ang level ng kompetisyon dahil nadagdagan ang foreign teams na kalahok dito. Para kay Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas Executive Director Erica D, napakagandang pagkakataon nito upang lalo pang mahasa ang mga lokal na manlalaro.
On top of the 9 international teams, most of the local teams also have imports. And as I understand it, when it comes to 3x3 basketball, that really elevates the game.
Isa sa mga pambato ng bansa ang pantatluhang koponan ng Gilas Pilipinas Women. Binubuo ito ni na Christine Cayabyab, Mika Cacho, Monique Del Carmen at Camille Clarin ng NU Lady Bulldogs.
So the Gilas Pilipinas, the 3-on-3 program is definitely new. They're separating now the 5-on-5 and 3-on-3. So we're looking to build a good foundation based off of players who will come through the program and prepare for longer tournaments. So I think having the separate pools and allowing us to compete in local and international tournaments will help create a better environment and to help bring more success hopefully to the program in the future.
Maglalaro rin sa torneo ang Spanish sensation na si Ari Jelly. Siya ang tatayong import para sa local team na Uratex Tibay.
I think it will be very cool. Final Uratex Dream versus Uratex Tibay.
Aarangkada na ang Manila Hustle Season 2 sa Sabado, February 3 at magtatapos sa Linggo, February 4. Idaraos ang mga laro sa SM Mall of Asia Music Hall sa lungsod ng Pasay. Rafael Bandayrel para sa Bayan.